said that.
I said magandang.
Magandang. And thank
How could you
you.
forget this?
Umaga,
Umaga.
tuloy,
Tuloy
po,
po
kayo.
kayo.
Again.
Man.
Stop laughing kasi. Go. Maganda, last time ha. Magandang
Magandang
umaga,
umaga.
tuloy,
Tuloy
Po.
po
kayo.
kayo.
Okay, again, by yourself.
Dan guy umog
How could that? This is like a word in like an English dictionary.
Okay, we have
It's
to
as
proceed.
easy as that.
Magandang umaga. Tuloy po kayo.
Salamat. May regalo ako para sa'yo.
Okay, she said, salamat, may regalo ako para sa'yo. It meant, thank you, I have a gift for you. Thank you for letting me in. I have a gift for you. Again, say it, salamat,
salamat.
may
May
regalo
regalo
ako
ako
sa'yo.
sa'yo.
Okay, by yourself.
Salamat.
Salamat. Ako
Regalo.
regalo
What's last?
Sa'yo.
sa'yo.
Sa'yo.